Logo, Sacramento Regional Transit. Text, Next Stop News August 2025. Video of SacRT buses. Text, Service improvements on routes 25 and 106 begin August 17th. Visit sacrt.com/service changes for details. Video of Watt I-80 station construction. Text, Watt I-80 Transit Center construction updates. Construction shift by end of September 2025. Details at sacrt.com/Watt I-80. Video of Transit Idea Exchange Workshop. Text, Transit Idea Exchange Workshop coming to Elk Grove. Tuesday, August 19, 2025. Learn more at sacrt.com/transit workshops. Video of youth riding SacRT. Text, Heading back to school? Ride free with SacRT. Learn more at ridefreert.com. Video of people using mobile devices and cell phone with Transit Connect app. Text, Coming soon, SacRT's new Transit Connect fare payment app. Visit sacrt.com/Transit Connect for more information. Logo, Sacramento Regional Transit. Text, check out the August edition of Next Stop News at sacrt.com/NSN.